Welcome to the Doug and Nikki Outdoor Testing Studio, where I'm going to test an indoor, or it could be an outdoor product, not waterproof, but this Blink Indoor mini camera system looked so fun and perfect for us. Nikki and I often wonder what our little critter Kona is doing in the house when we're out. We have no big security concerns, but we did want to be able to check in on the little guy, especially if we are out of the house for a prolonged period of time. This seemed to be like the perfect answer for that. It comes with 3 motion-sensitive cameras as well as the station to connect it to Wi-Fi, and you can also connect a SD card sold separately to record your video on it directly without connecting to their app, which they do have an app, so you can, if you pay for their subscription service, you can monitor your cameras 24/7. And speaking of 24/7, these cameras come with the batteries included, which are supposed to last a remarkable 2 years, which I will not be testing them for. Do not come back here to see the second half of the video in 2 years and 1 day, because I'm gonna have moved on. I am gonna trust them that they actually last more than a year, let's say that, which seems like a phenomenal amount of time. Plus they give you the battery with it. So let's open it up. I'm gonna share with you what it comes with, my thoughts on how it's packaged, what they look like. Then we're gonna set it up. We're gonna take video of the dog when he's not paying attention, because they're spy cameras. And then I'll come back, I'll give you an overall Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know how much I like, or maybe think it's a piece of crap. Let's open it up, see what it is. So this is obviously a Blink device, which is a major company, which I certainly prefer if I'm gonna hook up something to Wi-Fi and there are gonna be cameras in my house monitoring what goes on. I really wanna know the company and have some level of trust with them, and Blink obviously is well established. It comes with the wall mounts, along with the hardware for those wall mounts, as well as these 3 cameras, which are not like hidden camera size at all, but they are attractive pieces, right? So they're not gonna stick out and look ugly on your walls like a sore thumb, or if you put them on a shelf or something like that. Cool, cool, cool. This is a plus for Doug. This is a plus for Doug. They come with the actual batteries. I really like when you buy something, it comes with all the parts you need to use it. Another one, which if you've watched our channel before, you've seen me complain, the base station comes with, yes, the USB you need to power it, and the plug for the wall. This is how anybody else with other manufacturers watching this video now, this is how your stuff should come packaged. Anyway, let's set it up, spy on the dog, and then I'll come back, I'll give you that Doug score. Okay, well, this is really super duper straightforward. Here's our living room. You can see how clear and great of an image this is. You can see the dog wandering around. And just so you know, the app is super easy to use. You can turn it on, turn it off anytime from wherever you are from your cell phone. You can actually communicate. Here he is walking around by the stairs in the hallway. You can communicate like via the speaker to somebody if they were in the house, or to the dog if you wanted to talk to him. And I don't normally have one of these cameras in the bedroom, but I thought it would be fun so you could see just how good the infrared image is. Here he is jumping on me in the middle of the night to go out to wake me up, and you could see how clearly you could see him in the middle of the night. Anyway, this is absolutely a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I highly recommend these.